My name is SenseiLeFox. And you are now living healthy.
Turn up! It's a bike through the night till we take off. Take off!
Cal! Calleon! Don't make me to your government, bro!
What do you want?
How about I change my ringtone? I don't know how to do that shit. I just want to know which hot mamas hit me up. Feel me?
You're kidding, right?
You know Pops got all the hot mamas, right? In every temperature. Hot, cold, mild. Anything. Flex. You know, back in my day, I remember...
Oh my God. Do you want my help or not? Cause you sound foolish.
Keep snatching out my hand like that, or you gonna be peeling potatoes with a butter knife, just like your father.
Oh shit. I've got one that slap way harder. Peep.
Click.
So this nigga gonna keep dancing.
Oh, hell no.
Okay, so which one do you want?
I want all of them.
I can't stand this.
Which one do you want? Keep playing it. Keep playing that. Which one you gonna pick, bro?
Yeah, man. This ringtone app not too shabby, man. Man, I'm not all about this app store and this iTunes and these. It's too much for me, man. You know, I'm a OG, and I like to keep it OG. You feel me? And my son, my stepson. Actually, you know what? That ain't my son. Anyway, man, that little boy showed me this app store, man, and he got me this ringtone marimba. Just ice, man. I like to know who calling me. You feel me? I don't want to be with Linda, and then marimba come on, and then it's Tina calling me. Feel me? Yeah, man, go check out that app in that app store, man. My ringtone marimbas, man. Stepdaddy Dookie approved. If Stepdaddy Dookie approved, that means you don't got a right to choose. Feel me? Go download that app. Peace.
You know Pops got all the hot mamas, right? Them levels high. Snatch it out of my hand like that.
Like you. Okay.
Just like your father.
I got you.
Just like your father.